What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So this is some crazy news for the people that are holding ZOM. ZOM is getting completely destroyed by the hedgies, by anybody that doesn't believe in the position. So we need to get into a lot of this data because there's a lot that we need to focus on. It's huge news. The first time I seen it, I was like, what in the freaking world? So anyways, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out some of the other links. I have my Discord link. It's the first link in the description. And if you want to join as a member to be included in those live stream chats, then please do that. It's the join link right next to the subscribe button. But let's go ahead and dive into this for a little bit. We're going to see what happened here. We have Zomedica. What happened the day before today? Today was kind of flat, right? It wasn't really anything big. But you see what happened. We went from $1.29 all the way down to a low of like $1.09, right? And this decrease was not really like justified. I understand we did have a day to where halfway through the day it kind of decreased, but this doesn't really make sense. We have a lot of buying power. We had a lot of volume. We were really killing it in the volume. And I was like, what is going on here? Is it being heavily shorted? Well, it turns out I was absolutely right. It is being heavily shorted in one day. And I will get into that once we get into the Fintel data. So make sure you stick around for that. But we look at this, you could see that it was flat in the pre-market, ended up increasing, and all of a sudden just fell off the face of the earth. Fell off the face of the earth all the way down to $1.16. Did have a little bit of fighting strength, which we did see a lot of push. And then it all of a sudden started to get, crushed again. And continue to stair step on the way down. It wasn't something that looked like it was legit. You don't ever see ZOM move this much. You understand that it has a lot of buying power, but then you also look on the other side and it doesn't have a lot of selling power at these moments. It has a lot of buying power here. So what else can take place? Shorting. A lot of shorting. So you look at this and you could see that this is decreasing down to $1.09, did end up finding a little bit of an increase, did decrease a little bit more down to $1.06, and started to increase towards the end of the day, and then started to level off towards the the after hours market. Did drop down to 103, slowly increasing, and now you're seeing it kind of level out for the whole entire day. This is what it typically looks like. This leveling here, it typically looks like that, and it doesn't look too bad. So as I was seeing this, I was like, it should be increasing a lot more. There's a lot of buying power. There's a lot of strength in this position. Now, I know the volume is not where it's supposed to be, but you can see that it opened at 107. Right now it's at 108. It hit a high of 113. So it did have a little bit of fight in it, but got, crushed back down. Now, as you've seen the day before, like I said, I'm going to get into the Fintel data here. As you've seen the day before, there was a lot of, shorting, a lot of selling power, or quote unquote selling power, that they wanted to sell to you guys. But I want to look at ZOM's short interest. So not even the short interest, the short volume. Look at this, 41% short volume ratio, 41%. Typically, when you see a stock, it's going to be hovering around the single digits, maybe 10%, because everything gets shorted. But you look at something like AMC, you look at something like GME, typically they're around 20 to maybe at max 30% short in a day, because that's what's really being fought at. You look at this, 57.8 million short volume, 57.8 million short volume, 41%, 141 million short volume or volume shares. So this is why you've seen a lot of, push with that stock. As it was decreasing, you've seen a lot of push into the position because we were pushing that stock up. There was a lot of buying power. People were excited about it. They were looking to push it up. It was probably going to go to like $3 if it didn't have all of this short volume. However, they continued to short this to kingdom come. You look at this, 57.8 million shorted volume shares. It's crazy, 41%, and that was yesterday. Today, it's probably looking a little bit different because it's kind of flat, but you do see that we have 6.1 million short shares available. The short borrow fee rate is basically non-existent. So this is crazy to say that this is being absolutely destroyed with short volume. And this is where it's all coming from. I was wondering, I was like, why is this decreasing so much? It made no sense why it was decreasing. I understand everything else was getting hit a little bit, not as much as ZOM was actually getting hit. Falling drastically, and they seen all the volume come in, so they were like, hey, you know what, let's short this position, let's get these people out of here, and then we can see this collapse back to where it was, because a lot of people think that this is overvalued. However, a bunch of people are really excited about this position. This is huge news with Zomedica, and I really have faith in what the position is going to be. I'm going to buy into some more as soon as I get a chance. If they can hold out until I actually get my account back underway, back in good standings, because right now, if you don't know my situation, I'm basically in limbo between two accounts. But once I get that back in there, I'm buying more, because this is absolutely ridiculous. This is showing huge numbers, huge potential, and I think it's going to be pretty big. Let me know what you think about Zomedica. I mean, there's a lot of people that talk about this position and seen exactly what it did do, and you could see the last couple of days. Let's look at not 6 months, let's look at 5 days. And you can see that it did have an increase, from that 95-cent mark down at that 86-cent mark, all the way up to $1.34. You've seen the massive movement that we were seeing with Zomedica. I was expecting that to go up to 150, 170, get up to $2, but it's being heavily shorted. I don't know what the true short volume that's held. I just know as of yesterday, the total volume out of that 100%, 41% was short volume. And it's not like it was a little bit of short volume. It's not like it was, 41% of 1 million. It was 41% of 141 million, I believe. That's crazy. 41% of over 100+ million is absolutely ridiculous in the amount of short volume. So let me know exactly what you think. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Do you feel like there's any type of promise in what ZOM can do? Let me know your opinion on this, but this is huge news. Huge news. I thought that they were being shorted at a max of like 25%, but 41%? Come on. Like, Jesus, what are you guys doing? They really don't believe in the position. So this is not retail traders that's doing this. This is more of the hedge funds. This is more of some retail traders are probably doing it as well, because they don't believe in where the stock actually went to. They feel like it's overvalued. And eventually, yes, you think it will get back to that point, but not with all of the buying power that people have into this position. Out of 140+ million shares, to say that 60% of that is all going towards buying power, and 41% is going towards short positions, shorting power, that's crazy. But yeah, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out some of the other links down below. I have my Discord link, the first link in the description, and if you want to join as a channel member, please do so. Right next to the subscribe button, there's a join button. Join there, you'll be included in those live stream chats that are members only, and it's only 99 cents. But that's my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.